Well, I guess if you've been camping long enough, you're going to have a mouse show up in your trailer at some point. So I have actually gotten 2 mice in my trailer here, I think at my last camping excursion, and I believe I know how they're getting in here. And pretty common problem. These older trailers where you've got to plug in with a door that it's got your extension cord running up here. They'll come up here and get in to the cabin this way. Now I put this over top just to alleviate that, but I've been all over the bottom end of this trailer. This is a fiberglass trailer, and there's no holes under there. I don't know how these damn things are getting in there from time to time. I've been using the same traps for a while, so I have, like I said, I got 2 mice in here successfully, but then my mouse trap actually broke. So I'm just talking about the bait that I used. So I went up and grabbed some of the cheapest peanut butter that I could find. You want to make sure that it's actually real peanut butter. They got all this stuff that's for kids that got peanut butter allergies and stuff like that, and so there's not actually any peanuts in there. So you want to make sure that you get the peanut butter. Works best for the mouse attractants. So here's a picture of the box here. This is the mouse trap that I'm trying out right now, and time is going to tell. We'll let a couple hours go by here and see if those things don't smell that peanut butter and head over in that direction and trap themselves early. It's the thing about parking the RV trailer for the season. You don't want to put it away with that kind of stuff going on in your trailer. You want to make sure that you don't have any mice at all. We're going out for one more excursion, and I'll make sure to bring the cat with us. The cat is, well, she used to be a really good mouser, right? Like, she'd aggressively go and track down the mice, and she'd eat the things, right? And sometimes you'd find the head or the tail, you know, in the morning. And so anyways, she's kind of opted to the, we just had her out actually where I think we got the mice from, and she'd, you know, she's getting lazy, right? She aggressively goes after the mice still, but then she just plays with it, right? And then the freaking thing gets away, and I still end up getting it in the trap. So I don't know what, my cat's just kind of broken here right now, but one thing she can do really well, if you watch the cat's behavior, you'll see that she can detect if there's mice there, and she knows exactly where they are because she can hear them, she can smell them, and you know, it's kind of cool to see if you haven't seen a cat going after that. So if I don't get all the mice in the trailer here in the next geez, we're leaving tomorrow morning, so if I don't get them all by then we'll see. We'll watch the cat's behavior, and I'll see if I can get some video of that. Went and picked up 6 traps. You want to get the type that's got it has to get that mouse inside, right? And I'll show you some of the ones that I was using, but they actually did not work. So I put 6 of these babies down after cleaning up all the mouse crap. Just use a vacuum for that. And so I'm gonna actually let the trailer sit here and not come back in here for a number of hours and see if I've gotten my critters here. So let's give that a second, and I'll show you the other traps that I was using. And I don't think they're all that great here, because the mice got in there, licked the peanut butter off, and this type here, okay, it's got that flat bottom. That flat bottom allows them to kind of creep in there and lick all the peanut butter off. I got 2 of these. 2 of these did exactly the same, and we're not successful. So let's see what happens with these other ones. So I let my cat in here because I absolutely am not having any luck with this thing. And the cat knows right away that there's a mouse in here. She's pretty inquisitive here. She's trying to find the thing. She's a good mouser. You know what's going on. Yes, you do. You get those mice. You find that mouse. You find him. As soon as I dropped the cat in here, she went right over, started smelling, and she's on the scent. And she's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's getting all puffed up there. She knows that thing's somewhere. And all she got to do is listen, and I'm gonna get out of her way here for a bit. Okay, so we set up here overnight. I put 6 traps out and we got a successful kill. That's how you get the mice.